Welcome to the floating egg experiment, where science meets fun and curiosity takes the lead. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of density and buoyancy, and trust me, it's going to be egg-citing. Join Miss Parker and her team of young scientists as they explore how simple ingredients like water, salt, and eggs can unlock big scientific discoveries. Get ready for hands-on learning, laughter, and maybe even a little mess, because that's what science is all about. Alright scientists, it's time to get our hands dirty, or should we say, salty? The kids are mixing salt into water, carefully measuring and stirring while Ms. Parker guides them through the process. Did you know that adding salt to water changes its density? That's the secret to making our eggs float. Watch as the kids' eyes light up with curiosity, their tiny hands working together to create the perfect salty solution. Science is all about teamwork, and these little experimenters are proving just that. Here's the moment we've been waiting for. Look at that! The eggs are floating! It's like magic! But it's really science in action. Miss Parker explains how the salt increases the water's density, making it strong enough to lift the eggs to the surface. The kids can't contain their excitement. Some are clapping, others are jumping with joy, and everyone is learning something new. This is the beauty of science. It's not just about facts and figures. It's about wonder, discovery, and those aha moments that make us all feel like geniuses. Uh-oh, looks like we've got a little spill. Or should we say, a splat? One of our young scientists accidentally drops an egg, and guess what? It's all part of the fun. Ms. Parker reminds everyone that mistakes are just stepping stones to learning. After all, some of the greatest discoveries in science came from unexpected accidents. The kids laugh together as they clean up the mess, proving that science isn't just about getting it right, it's about trying, failing, and trying again. And hey, who doesn't love a good egg accident? What an incredible day of science and discovery. The kids are beaming with pride as they show off their floating eggs, and Ms. Parker couldn't be prouder of her little scientists. They've learned about density, buoyancy, and the importance of curiosity and teamwork. But the fun doesn't have to stop here. Why not try this experiment at home? All you need is water, salt, and an egg. Who knows, you might just inspire the next great scientist in your family. Thanks for joining us on this extraordinary adventure. See you next time for more science fun.